Hello students, today I am taking up this session for class 8. The chapter is Squares and Square Roots, the chapter 6 of our NCERT textbook. Now in this, first we will go for the topic squares, and after we have understood the squares completely, then we will do the square roots. So first of all, when we say square, what comes to your mind? A shape which has all its sides equal and the angles to be right angles, right? So this is a square. Suppose this square has a side of 1 unit, then its area will be equal to 1 square unit, and that will come out to be 1. So a square physically in a plane will mean a shape with 4 sides and equal sides. Suppose we have a bigger square, and this time my square is having a side of 2 units. Then its area will be equal to 2 square, that is 4 square units. Thus this is the physical concept of a square. Now when we talk about numbers, we will write the numbers. We will take up our natural numbers and then we will take up their squares. So I am writing here numbers from 1 to 10. Now I will find out their squares. So in symbolic form, the square of any number is written like this: a 2 with a superscripted on 1, and the value of 1 square is 1 only. Then its 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square 64. Thus, we can see that the meaning of square is that this power of 2 signifies that this base number is to be multiplied twice or multiplied 2 times. So, we will get the square of that number. So, suppose if I take a number 12 and find its square, then it simply means that 12 into 12, the product of 12 2 times I have to take, and the answer comes out to be 144. So similarly, we will complete the table writing the squares of the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Square of 11 is 121, and here what we are doing, we are multiplying 11 2 times, right? So 11 square is this. Similarly, so 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225, this is 256, 17 square will come out to be 289, then 18 square is 324, 19 square is 361 and 20 square is 400. So these are the numbers and their squares, and the meaning is if we have a square of side this, then its area will be this. Thank you.